makeup and your clothes. Trust me, why don't you just trust me? You're the only beauty, show me more. You're not a dime a dozen, oh, your skin is golden. Let me show the whole damn world. You're one in a billion, only thing you're missing is some tape over that mouth. Body, I'm more than my body. You can pack your things up, but I just go. Body, I'm more than my body. Don't owe you a thing, no, not at all. I'm not a toy to play with, not just a sight to see, and my mind is worth its weight in gold. I'm not a dime a dozen, I know I'm worth just more than you will ever know. Touch me, you just wanna feel me, you just wanna share me, you don't care at all. Trust you, why don't I just trust you? You just wanna use me, now I know. Body, I'm more than my body. You will never get me, but I just go. I'm more than my body. 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 I'm more than.
Hey, well done, Cerys. Louise, what do you think of Cerys' performance? Louise?
Cerys, you've got such a unique voice, and even like the way that you perform, you know, you proper feel it through like to your fingertips, and it's just so unique to watch you, not even just to listen to you, but both watching and listening to you. I think it was a little bit low for you in places at the beginning. You could have probably afforded to take it up a semitone or maybe even a tone, just so that it kind of sat in a better place in your voice. But I think you are something really special. You've got a really raw talent there, and you just need a bit of polishing, and that's what this process is all about, and I'm so excited to see where you go in this competition. Just one bit of advice is, you kept looking to the right, so I don't know whether you were reading lyrics, but if you were, you wouldn't be able to do that if this was on the stage. So you're not the only person to do it. I've said the same to other people as well, but just try and remember the words, you know, learn the song thoroughly so that you can really perform it to that camera and give us a lovely, well-rounded performance. But it was a really brilliant audition. Well done.
Kelly?
I know you were a little bit worried because you thought that this song was like a safe song for you to do, because you said you were struggling obviously with your tonsils and things this week, but it was far from a safe choice. It showed off your lower register. I do agree it was a little bit low in certain places, but it didn't take away from the fact that it did show off your lower register when you were going down there. And you do have this really sort of, if you were to come on the radio, I would know it was you, because you've just got this tone, and even the way that you pronounce your words, everything is sort of just very, very unique to you, and it is quite rare for somebody your age to have such an identity already when they come into it, considering that this is completely new to you. And I just think that you can do so much more than you actually believe that you can do, and that you can do so much more than you've actually shown. I do think that you are a dark horse, and I do think you underestimate your ability a lot. But that's what we're here for, you know, to bring that out of you and show you what you can do and help you along. And I think that this process is going to benefit you so much, because I just think that there will come a time where you will shock a lot of people when you reach your full potential.
Cerys, I mean, I watched it, obviously your audition last week and then this performance now, and I really do believe that you have something very, very unique and very special, and to me is something that's really sellable to like shows like The Voice and things like that, 'cause they're always looking for something they haven't had, and this seems to be like the popular sound at the moment, this sort of edge to The Voice, but there's still a lot of work to do. I can see there's still a lot of shaping. You were still understanding yourself and what you were capable of, but I do think that we are going to see you blossom and shine in this process. But again, like I've said to some of the others, I really want you to take advantage of how you come across in these videos, how you present yourself. I want to pick up on something I noticed last week, because obviously last week when we had the issue with the swearing sort of thing, what I did pick up, and it's something that I acknowledged, and I was like, oh my God, this girl really does have something. And it might sound small to everyone else, but it's a very big deal. And the fact that you took that song straight away and took all those words out and replaced them shows me that I feel like you have like a really good skill with songwriting. I know you haven't showcased none of that or said anything about it, but I feel that, because I feel like you've already established yourself as an artist at such a young age. So I wouldn't rule that out. I don't know if you do that, but I want you to try it if you haven't. But I feel there's so much more behind what you are and who you are as an artist than we've even seen yet. I really feel like there's so much more to come. So just go wild. You're doing really, really well. Well done.